gonna put my wig? They never match. Like, it's not overbearingly thick, but she thick, boo. How'd they do that? Ooh, I'm gonna be hot stepping around my house today. Ooh. What's going on, beautiful people? It's your girl Mary coming to you with another video. I'm gonna be doing something real quick today. Quick little slay. I have 2 cornrows going back, and I will be applying another headband wig, and hopefully it's slayable. We're gonna find out together though, cause I don't be knowing. Before I do that though, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. Ooh, girl, you the bomb. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so that you know every time I post. You want to be in the know, okay? Let's get into this wig. I'm excited about this. This wig is from rpgshow. Listen, I have heard so much about this company. As far as wigs go, they are a premier wig site, so I'm hyped that they reached out to the kid, you know. I was like, hey, what's up? Y'all know me? They been knowing me and stuff. So, bam. If you don't know about this company, they are everywhere. They're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Look them up. Ooh. Okay, let's see here. So I have a wig cap. I am actually not going to, am I gonna wear one today? I don't know. You can, with headband wigs, you can wear a wig cap if you want to, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. This is a 14-inch headband wig. I'm excited, I like 14 inches. The texture is silky. And this is the wig bag that the wig comes in. Very cute. You can keep all of your rpgshow wigs in here, okay? Bam. You don't have to worry about where am I gonna put my wig. So, I have the brown ombre Afro curly headband wig. My cap size is small. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. So, this is the wig. I'm definitely liking the color. That's the first thing that popped out to me was this beautiful fall color. Yes, just in time when you start to see leaves falling from the trees and stuff. Yeah. It comes with the standard black headband. And then at the end of that headband, there's the Velcro attachment so you can make it as snug or as loose as you would like. And that Velcro is, oh yeah, really strong. It also has the adjustable strap in the back, 4 combs, 3 along the front, 1 in the back. Okay, so it's what you would expect as far as the construction. The construction doesn't vary too much. I'm gonna throw this on and just see how it feels initially. I can definitely tell this is like Afro kinky texture, but kind of like I would say it's like a soft Afro kinky. Let me throw this on. And again, I just have 2 cornrows just to switch it up a little bit. You do not have to do that. You could put your hair in a low ponytail. Once I really play with it, then I will really adjust it. Okay, and then I'm just going to, I'm not using the adjustable strap right now because I'm gonna play with this a little bit. Okay, I just wanna get it on and see what it's looking like. I really like it too with the cornrows. I cannot stand, y'all, my cornrows, when I do 2 French braids going back or 2 cornrows, they never match. They never match. When I tell you I'm not a braider, for real, like, I need y'all to believe in me. I like this one because you can actually see the braid sooner. Like, this braid doesn't start till way back here. You can't even tell it's braided. This part looks braided. This part look like it's trying to get braided, but really not here for that life. Man. Okay, I have it on pretty good. Let me just fluff her out. I will tell you this off gate, I really like this texture. I really like this texture, you guys. This is a really nice fit too. So get the size that works for your dome, honey. Take the circumference of your head. It really helps. Okay. I like this. This is really pretty. Definitely fall appropriate. The color's nice. It ombres in really, really nicely. Sometimes when trying to ombre, you can have a line of demarcation, and that is a huge pet peeve of mine. It's a very defined line in between the two colors. You know, the two colors do not flow between one another. It's like, bam, I'm right here, and then we got this big old thick fence right here, and then bam, I'm right here. It's no love, it's no harmony, it's no affection between the two. You know what I'm saying? It definitely ombres very well. And it came like this, of course, y'all. I just took it right out the pack. I didn't do anything to it. So you can purchase this as is. You can purchase this color. And speaking of purchase, as far as the price point, it's what you would expect from the higher end wig vendors. You do what you do according to your pockets. There is a coupon code that will be in the description box. I like to save a coin or two, is what I'm saying to you. Yes, this is a plop on and go, sis. Also have headbands, like stretchies. I have that one. Ooh, this one that's like a bandana wrap. And then this is like a cute workout headband. So I'm gonna play with those. I'm also gonna play with this hair. What do you think? These are for everybody out there who really likes Afro kinky texture. Like I said, this is like a soft Afro kinky. It's Afro kinky, but it's like right on the line. You know what I'm saying? It's not super duper 4C. It's like 4B and a third. Yeah. Ooh, the sun just came. Yes, sun, yes. Come on, sun. Come on, sun. Give me some of them rays. Yeah. Let me bask in it for a minute, son. Ah! Just like that. Boy, these clouds be so disrespectful sometimes. Sun wanna be great. The clouds wanna hate. So I'm feeling there's no glue needed. You can wear your edges out, or you can cover your edges up with one of the headbands if you want to. This is a really, really cute protective style, you guys. There's no tension on my hair. This band is really soft. There's no tugging on my hair. The curls are so cute. I love the volume. I love how soft this is. I'm not gonna do anything to these curls. These curls came to the party prepared. This wig is just ready to go. I like this. Ooh. Ooh, I'm gonna be hot stepping around my house today. I like to prance around my husband when I do my hair, so this is gonna help. We gonna prance today, sis. Oh yeah. Okay, I see what y'all did here. I see what y'all did with it. I get it. Yes, I like it. I like it. I feel the vibes. 14 inches, ombre, afro curly, headband wig, RPG show. Bam, y'all did this. Okay, let's go play with it.